All right, all right, all right. This is David, first thing in the morning with the coffee. Mmm, that's some good coffee. Actually, I like to rotate it a little bit, and I'm drinking Illy coffee, espresso. It's got a bit of a kick. So let's get to it. What are we looking at on the news front? We got wholesale inventories at 10. And then we got Fed Evans speaking at 10. At 12 o'clock, we got Fed George and Fed Waller. And I think this is the last of them. They go silent, and next week we get the interest rate decision. Is it next week? Oh, no. It's in 2 weeks. It's on the 21st. We get the interest rate decision. So, yeah, but I think they go silent a week before the Fed week. So we'll have to watch for that. And then next week we got some inflation news coming out. Oh man, and my internet keeps going in and out over here. So what? So this kind of screws up my damn. Oh, here it goes, popping back in. All right, we won't redo it. All right, so let's get right to it before we get another wave of that. That was going on all day yesterday, too. I got to call this ISP and see what's going on. All right, so real quick, we're looking at oil, and it's moving up, and yeah, I'm all right with that. Let it just keep going. We had a target of 84 on the downside. We exceeded that a little bit. You might have been trailing bars once it hit the target. Hopefully everybody got out low. I got out in the upper 83, like 83.80, somewhere around there. Closed my position. We put in this bottom. Now we just move to a high. I don't see any entries. I'm just going to let it move and do what it's got to do. That's fine. It's bullish. And it looks like it's going to grind up, but that's okay. We'll let it go. Taking a quick look at bonds. All right, so we broke this support up here, ground down. We have a pivot low over here. I'm just holding that as support. We have a nice trending line on the top to watch for a break to the upside. Momentum is kind of picking up a little bit. I guess I'm neutral on bonds right now, pending a break of that pivot low or breaking that trend line in that resistant trend line right there. So we're going to say we're neutral on bonds right now. Gold, who cares? There's just nothing going on. I'd never see a setup in this thing. It used to trade well. Times have changed. Let's look at gasoline going forward. I'm feeling bullish. I'm not seeing a setup. You got a bear flag on the 240 right now. I don't know anybody who's trading this. I just kind of look at it to get an idea of what's going on for the U.S. economy, being that it has value. And everybody's involved. I think we're going to start consolidating right around this level. I'm feeling that $2.40 a gallon is the a fair value. It's probably going to hang around there. I don't know much of the fundamentals about refining or anything about fuel, so I can't really say. I know oil, the break even per barrel is like actually now it's like $40 a barrel is break even after shipping and refinery and everything like that. So there's money being made. There's room to come down. And let's take a quick look at nat gas relative to propane. Yeah, you're going to be difficult. All right, we're not going to look at you. And what do we get? We got BTC. Oh, did we talk about BTC? Anyway, we had this channel right here. We were watching it pending a break either way. We took that short. I made money on the short. I obviously didn't have the opportunity to get in on that move up. It happened throughout the evening. So I'm going to consider it extended. Watch this 240 bar. Let's just bounce over, see if we can get the chart to respond to the daily. Yeah. All right. So, yeah, you know, that's a good, strong daily bar. And that's today's daily bar. I don't see any setup. I guess I'm going to watch this. Hopefully it closes up high like this. And Monday, I'm going to watch to see if we could set up a bear flag with Monday's bar, and then maybe Tuesday find an entry. May just go into consolidation. It seems like that's what it does. It just gets this. It takes an initiative in one direction, then consolidates for a little while. So I guess we're just going to watch it. I'm going to stay neutral on BTC and just watch it for a little bit. And that brings me over to the S&P, which is the money maker. I don't think I made anything yesterday. I think the movement was after my hours. And we had a good week. I mean, you know, crazy week. Made a lot of money. So I just kind of backed off on my trading. And didn't we have Powell yesterday too? Or was that Wednesday? The days are melding. All I know is today's Friday, and I'm looking forward to it. So on the daily, I mean, we have an uptrend. We have 3 bars in a row. I'd say we get another update today, and then a consolidation. I am looking for a higher low. This would be a good trend reversal. If it breaks here, because I'm saying this is a high. This is a high. So this is the low. This is the high. I would like to see a higher low and then a break to the upside. That's going to be a good trade. So hopefully Monday or Tuesday we turn around. I don't want to see a soft bar today. I want to see a good, strong close, a push to the upside, good, strong close, and a nice trend reversal pattern. This is the daily chart. This is real time. This is what's happening. Let's swing down to the 240 and see if we see anything. There's my 240. We got some time. This bar closes at 9:30. But if we remain around this area, we have a nice bear flag, bull flag, to enter at the open. So that's what I'm going to keep my eyes open for. I'm going to take that break to the upside on the ES if we get that. So you could join me at 9 o'clock and trade with me. Watch me enter the trades. We'll talk a little bit about it. We could chat and make you some money. What else are we looking at? I don't even know what time frame this is. Oh, it's daily. All right. Amazon on the daily, pushing up. I don't see any entry on the daily. I'm sure you could find one. Tesla back in that channel. It's going to hit resistance on this trend line right down here. But if it breaks through that, you got a target of that 317. Momentum's kind of bearish. Seems a little weak. That's what I would watch. Microsoft. I mean, we're getting a return. Single bottom's not common. I would look for a trend reversal pattern, see if it's going to go up, or another test of that low. Watch the momentum. Momentum's kind of negative on everything. It doesn't feel as though it's supporting. So we should look for a trend reversal. I think we're going to have an update across the board today, and then Monday look for a little retrace, and that should be a nice healthy pattern to get us rolling. So anyway, that's the short of the long. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Join me at 9 o'clock. Get some trading in. Spread the word. Tell a friend if you're having a good time, if you're making money with us. Or if you got any questions, drop it into the chats or the comments. I mean, that goes a long way. Helps my algorithms. Helps me keep the channel going. So this is Dave wrapping it up for Friday. I'll see you guys at 9 a.m. and do a little bit of trading. Remember, should be calm and cool and at peace when you trade. And good luck with your trades.